In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Whiteboard in 5 easy steps for beginners. Miro is a versatile and powerful digital whiteboarding tool perfect for collaboration and brainstorming. Whether you're working on a team project or organizing your thoughts, Miro offers a simple and effective platform to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of it. First things first, we need to get you signed up and set up with your first board. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create a free account on the Miro website. Simply follow the steps to sign up, and once you're in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. From here, click on the plus Create New Board button to get started. You can choose between starting from a blank board or apply one of Miro's ready-to-use templates. Once you've made your choice, be sure to rename your board by clicking the default title in the top left corner. This will make it easier for you to keep track of your boards for future reference. Now that you have your board, let's navigate the canvas. This part is essential for getting comfortable with Miro's interface. You can use your mouse or trackpad to pan around by clicking and dragging. Zooming in and out is just as easy. You can do it with pinch gestures on a touchpad using the mouse wheel or by clicking the zoom buttons on the toolbar. For quick and smooth navigation, press and hold the spacebar to temporarily switch to the hand tool. This is especially handy when you want to move swiftly across large boards. With navigation down, it's time to add content. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a toolbar with all the tools you need to start populating your board. Add sticky notes for jotting down ideas, shapes and text boxes for creating structured layouts, or use the pen tool to draw freeform ideas. To use these tools, simply click on the icon corresponding to what you want. Click on the board where you'd like to place the item, and start typing or drawing to add your content. Templates are fantastic for adding structure to your board. By clicking the templates icon in the toolbar, you can explore over 300 different layouts for everything from diagrams to brainstorming and wireframes. Find the template that suits your needs, click Use Template or Add to Board, and it'll be inserted right onto your canvas where you can adjust it as needed. Finally, let's talk about sharing and collaboration. In the top right corner, click Share to invite team members via email or create a shareable link. You can set access levels, letting people either view, comment, or edit. With collaboration in real time, you and your team can exchange ideas through comments, @mentions, or even using emoji reactions. To make it even more interactive, try out the video chat feature if you're working remotely. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering Miro Whiteboard and bringing your team's ideas to life. Happy collaborating!